Bougainvillea is a stunning and vibrant tropical plant. Today, Southern Gardening is at Buds and Blooms admiring their beautiful bougainvillea hanging baskets. Known for their colorful and papery bracts, which are often mistaken for flowers, bougainvillea bracts come in shades of pink, purple, red, orange, or yellow. The actual flowers of the plant are small and white and are surrounded by 3 large bracts. These bougainvillea baskets will develop long, arching branches as the summer progresses. It is also important to be cautious when handling the plant, as it has sharp thorns on its stems that can cause injury. Best growth is achieved by full sun exposure. These plants are also heavy feeders and will benefit from monthly applications of water-soluble fertilizer. However, the plants actually require very little irrigation, so be careful not to overwater in between feedings. Bougainvillea begin to bloom in the spring and fall. The flowers are produced in cycles of about 6 weeks, followed by a rest period. While bougainvillea is a low-maintenance plant, it does require regular pruning to keep its growth in check and promote more blooms. In the fall, bougainvillea should be brought inside and placed in a window with high light for indoor flowering to brighten up the winter months. Bougainvillea is a beautiful tropical plant that can add a burst of color to any indoor and outdoor space. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.